Hello dear 10th class students. As we have completed the human nervous system, today we will study about the chemical coordination of animals. In animal body, nervous system is not only responsible for coordinating our body. There is another system which helps to coordinate our responses is the endocrine system. So here, the chemical coordination of animals is achieved with the help of hormones. And these hormones are generally produced by a special type of glands which we call endocrine glands. These endocrine glands are actually the ductless glands which secretes their secretion directly into the blood, and blood, as it circulated in our body parts, it will transport that particular hormone to their target site where it has to perform an action. In blood in blood we are having a component called plasma. This plasma contains a specialized protein. That protein name is beta globulin. This beta globulin is mainly responsible for the transportation of your hormones to their target site from the site of their manufacture. Fine. So these hormones are actually synthesized by endocrine glands. These hormones are acting as here as chemical messengers which will transmit the message between nervous system and our organs to coordinate their responses with respect to the changes in the surrounding environment. Fine. These hormones are always produced in our body in a very less amount, but with this less amount, they have prolonged effect on our body, maintaining our growth, development, and as well as various metabolic features of our body. Fine. So, before we discuss about certain hormones which are secreted by our body, let us focus over types of glands. The glands are basically means on the mode or what the way by which they pour their secretion for the functioning of body. They are basically categorized into three types. One is known as exocrine gland, second is known as endocrine glands, and the third is mixed heterocrine or composite glands. So these glands, first of all, exocrine glands. Exocrine glands are the duct glands which secrete their secretion with the help of ducts. For example, salivary glands, your liver containing the bile duct, pancreas having the pancreatic duct for the secretion of enzymes which helps in digestion. So, exocrine glands are generally such kind of glands which plays an important role in our digestive system. Next, endocrine. Endocrine glands are such type of glands which do not release their secretion with the help of duct. They are known as ductless glands. They secrete their secretion into the blood, and the blood will circulate in our body and transport it to their target site. Target site is the organ where a particular hormone performs its action. Tick. The third one is the mixed heterocrine or composite gland. Means mixed gland means which behave both as exocrine as well as like endocrine. There is an example that we will study about mixed gland is the pancreas. Pancreas is the endocrine gland as well as it will behave like exocrine gland also. As we have studied in our digestive system that pancreas helps in digestion, whereas in case of endocrine system it will also help in the release of hormone, a particular hormone that we have studied. You might have heard about diabetes. Diabetes is a sugar problem where the blood glucose level rises in a great manner. So to control that sugar, this pancreas releases a hormone, insulin, which will discuss each and every hormone, their functioning activity, everything we'll study over here. So in case of animals, the chemical coordination is brought about by hormones, and these hormones are produced by endocrine glands, which are basically the ductless glands. They are secreting their particular secretion directly into the blood, and the blood will transport it to the site of action, which we call target site. So here it's a protein which helps in the transportation of specific hormone to their target site. And the hormones, they act as chemical messengers between nervous system, and our organs, which help us to coordinate our responses with the changes that we are having external environment or in the internal environment. ठीक है? These hormones are always secreted in very less amount and with a prolonged effect. This is a general introduction of the chemical coordination. In our next video, we will start the chemical coordination in animals. Okay, thank you.